Students, welcome back to our channel. So here in this video we are going to discuss the lesson packing. The students who are pursuing BCom, BSc, BBA, any stream under Osmania University semester 4 will have the common subject English, and packing is one of the lesson in that. Okay, so this one video will be more than enough to cover the full explanation of the lesson packing. Okay, and this is the notes which is made by me, and it is available in our Telegram group for free of cost. Okay ma. So packing, written by Jerome, was a famous English writer known for humor. Okay, so he was one of the famous English writer known for his humor in his writing. So his full name was Jerome Klapka Jerome. Okay, he was born on May 2nd, 1859 in England. He wrote funny stories about everyday life situations. His works means he was very narrative, and he was wrote a very funny stories in the everyday situations. Okay, his works were very simple, entertaining and relatable. So everyone who used to read the workings of his famous books, no, they used to laugh and entertaining and funny. Okay, some famous works are Three Men in a Boat and Ideal Thoughts of an Ideal Fellow. Okay, and he was known for his witty style and satire. He died in 1927, but his work still loved for their humor. Okay, so this is about the author and in the examination point of view, you can write like this in a point wise, or you can write like a paragraph wise also. So about the author, 7 to 8 lines must and should you need to write it. So coming back to the lesson summary of the packing. Three men in a boat is a humorous story that shows how simple task can become a complicated due to human behavior. So the story is having a three men in a boat, like a packing episode. So it is saying that simple task will also become sometimes difficult because of the human behavior. The story revolves around three friends. Okay, the story is evolving in a three friends. The first one is the narrator who is narrating the story. Second one is George, and third one is Harris. Compulsory you need to remember the names. Narrator is the person, and who is narrating the story, George and Harris. So total 3 members in the lesson, and their dog Montmorency. Okay, so dog also is there. They are preparing for a trip and begin packing their things. So they all are preparing for the trip, it seems. So they are packing the things. So the narrator proudly says that he is very good at packing. He wants to show his skills and start packing the bag himself. So the narrator who is narrating the story, he was saying, he was very proudly says that he was very good at packing, it seems. So he want to show his skills by packing his bag himself. However, while packing, he forgot important things and keeps reopening the bag again and again. So however, while packing, the narrator who is packing, so he was forgetting the important things to keep in the bag. So again and again he is opening the bag and closing the bag again and again. So this shows that his confidence is greater than his actual ability. That means he is having so much confidence, but work is not at all having, but still he is very confident at his talent. So it shows that his confidence is greater than the actual ability. His actions can create confusion instead of order. Okay, because of that it creates confusion instead of to ordering. Okay, after finishing, George and Harris begin to pack. So after narrator finished the backpacking, George and Harris begin to pack. Instead of doing it properly, they make even more mistakes. They break things, forget items and create mess, everything like that they will do, George and Harris. Their lack of attention and care turns a simple task into chores. So CHAOS is meaning, that is, it is related to a difficulty problem. Okay, they make it complicated, they make it difficult because of their lack of attention. They argue to blame each other, which makes the situations funnier. Okay, they are both are arguing, that is George and Harris are arguing each other, so that the situation is becoming funnier. So they are blaming each other that you have done like that. Okay, so Montmorency means, that is the dog name. So the dog adds more trouble. He jumps into the middle of everything, sits on items and disturb the packing. So after blaming with each other, George and Harris, the dog is coming in middle of these everything, and it is sitting on the items. It was unable to, it is disturbing the packing things. So his mischievous behavior increases the confusion and creates a humorous situation. So that time that situation became more funnier than usual. So instead of helping, he makes the process even more difficult. Okay, so this is the thing is happening with them. Throughout the story, the author uses humor to show how people behave in real life. Everyone thinks they can be capable, but their actions prove otherwise. Yes, so the character are careless, overconfident, and disorganized. So narrator George and Harris is there, no? So they are having the carelessness, overconfidence, and disorganized. So this will reflect the human nature in a funny way also. Okay, so this is what the author is describing in the story. The story also shows that how small tasks can become more difficult when people do not work together. Yes, so this will shows that how it will be difficult to when you are not having the like a small task, when you are not together, how it will be difficult, like that it is also shows that. So instead of planning and cooperating, the characters create an unnecessary problems. They are making fun, they are making blaming each other, but still they are not ever having the lack of planning. They are having the lack of planning and cooperation. Yes, so their lack of teamwork leads to mistakes and frustration and time consuming also. At the same time, the story highlights the importance of enjoying the life. So that is having the funniest situations. No, you are spending more time with your friends. That is enjoying life. Even though the packing process is full of errors, but it will creating a funny and memorable moments. The characters laugh, argue, and continue together. This shows that imperfections and mistakes are natural part of life. So when you are with your friends also, you will make such kind of things, no, such kind of activities. You will blame each other when your friend is fell down, but you laugh like that, no. So there's all having some disadvantages and advantages, but still you people are enjoying your life. So this characters will shows the mistakes are the natural part of our human beings life. Yes, so the main message of this story is that people should not take life too seriously. Okay, so you should not take your life too seriously. You should have the fun, you should have the everything, good, bad, everything, you need to enjoy it. Okay, it is all okay to make mistakes and laugh at them. We are just human beings, we will make mistakes, we will learn from them, we will laugh at them. Yes or no? We are not a robots, or we are not somebody from the things. Yes, so humor can turn a stressful situation into enjoyable experiences. So due to the friends bag opening and closing, because of the they are forgetting the important things, no, it is creating an enjoyable experiences also. The story teaches that happiness comes from accepting flaws and finding joy in the simple moments. So first the narrator said, no, I was good at packing, but still he was having the lack of ability that, but it was creating the accepting the flaws, but and also creating the joy in that also. So that is the thing it is showing in the lesson. In the conclusion, this prose is a light-hearted and humorous lesson about human nature, and it will show the overconfident, carelessness, and lack of teamwork can make multiple simple tasks will become more difficult because of this carelessness, because of the lack of teamwork, because of the overconfidence. But at the same time, it also remind us together that we are laughing together. Okay, we are having a positive attitude, we are making our the situations memorable for our future also. So it can make a life more enjoyable. So this is what the author is describing in the lesson packing. Okay, so here you need to remember the narrator George and Harry's names, and when they are planning for the trip, how the packing is thing is there, and how the simple task is making difficult, that is you need to show it. And the dog name Montmorency, the dog, how it is adds more trouble in the situations, like his mischievous behavior increases the fun in the situation. That all thing you need to elaborate each and every situation in detail in the examination. Clear? So this is about the packing lesson, ma, easy, simple, super lesson. And in your day to day activities also, when we are spending time with our friends also we will have so many memorable moments like this. Yes or no? In our friend circle also there are certain friends who feels that they are overconfident, people will be there, but still they will have the lack of ability, that we will have the fun, yeah, along with them, no? So that is, you can write it in the examination summary also. Clear? So this is all about the lesson, ma. I hope you have understood. Still, if you're having any further doubts, do let me know in the comment section. And this notes PDF is available in our Telegram group for free of cost. All the links I have mentioned in the description box. See you all in the next video, and bye bye, students.